Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the AliExpress application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. Now, if the AliExpress application is not updating automatically on your device, then in order to update it, just open up your App Store and now tap on the search box and type in AliExpress and start your search. Once you find the AliExpress application, tap on it, and instead of the Get button, you will see an Update button if an update is available for the app. Just tap on this Update button, and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates for the AliExpress app. Once the update is completed, you will see the Open button once again. You can simply tap on this button, and now this will open up the newly updated application for AliExpress. If you have already logged into your account previously, you will directly be taken into your account, or you will be asked to log in if you have not. And there you have it. That is how you can update the AliExpress application on your iOS device to its latest version. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.